All right, I think we're all set up. I'm gonna find a better spot for that drop light. We might have to get another drop light in here, but yeah. Richardo and I, and don't mind the really bad recording here. My phone's on the other side. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, right? When you hold your phone pewter the wrong way. Anyways, the goal of today with the 78 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Fire Chicken is to remove the steering column. We'll start with the steering column. Hopefully get to all this trim. I was looking at this. It's kind of a shame to actually cut all this off. It's all original. And I'm going to try my best to save it, but I don't think, I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty bad right there already. All right, man, let's have at it. So I'm going to start with the shifter, and Richard is going to start with the
steering column
itself. So, and we know that the lighting in here is awesome, right? We know it's really awesome, so bear with us with the lighting. So how many bolts are under there?
You're gonna have 4 total under here.
4 total bolts holding the steering column up.
One's gonna be for a plate, a cover plate, and then 2 for the column here on the back side, and then you have 2 on the other one to hold the column upright.
Right on, man. It's still kind of cold up here in the shop. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. It's been a while since we worked on stripping the body, and hopefully today we will get to the dash. But it's always good to start with all the little stuff. Well, at least in my opinion it is. Get all the little stuff out of the way. Yeah. Is that like plastic?
Yeah. It's a kick panel.
Is there still carpet under there?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, dude.
Wow, dude. How much carpet's under there?
Not much. It's right here.
Try to save it. That's kind of cool. Maybe someone can go off what, I mean, I already know what color it is. It's black, but that's kind of cool. You learn something new, right? Working on these old cars, you learn something new every day. Richardo found a original chunk of the, well, you know, someone already replaced the carpet, you know, at one point, but
don't think so.
Nah,
that's how brittle it is. I don't think so.
That's pretty cool, dude. All right, so we'll continue to pull all the little stuff out and get the shifter, the wire itself. How do you take that off?
With this right here, hold it.
Well, I just want to take it off.
It comes out 1 unit. Yeah, and both those slide out. There's a bigger knob inside.
Huh. All right, well. Heck yeah, man. One more. Let's see what kind of action we got there. Might have to, unless the shifter linkage down there or the cable or something that connected it. I didn't think of that.
It's usually floating. You don't connect to the transmission after that.
Yeah, but it doesn't maybe have like a bracket or wire to be the cable or something?
No, because it's linked right to the transmission right here. See if we can bracket it all.
Alright, let's see. That last one off. Oh, you were right! Check that out. Got it. Got it!
That made it easier, huh?
It's kind of cool to see the original color though. Start taking stuff off. You may not be able to tell on camera, but from my point of view, yep, look at that blue, dude. That's actually blue. It might look more dark on camera. It's the original paint job. Well, I mean, obviously, a lot of this is going to change, and eventually, I don't know, maybe, I mean, if I have the body dipped, obviously, it's all going to come off. If you have it sandblasted or media blasted, they could probably get away with not, like, sanding off certain areas, right? Like a shop should be able to focus on more of the rust and whatnot, but who knows? We might go down that route. You almost got it?
Yeah, I gotta get this.
You said the 8mm?
Yeah,
right here.
Just out of here.
A lot of wiring going on there, Richard.
Yep.
The wiring just bolt onto it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What about the bottom half?
Bottom half's already off there.
Right on.
This is how you steal the car too, right here, this rod.
That's how you steal it?
Yeah, you can just unbolt it right here and connect it and start up the screwdriver real quick.
So, for anyone watching, do not follow anything that Richard talks about. Wow, I didn't know that. Well, I mean, obviously, you know, people that know how to do that kind of stuff.
There it goes.
Got it!
That's how it is right there. It's a little rod right there.
Oh, yeah.
Shifts it, starts it. So if your key, if you lose your key ignitions, right there.
Oh, I
See the
see.
screwdriver
Yeah. Right on, man.
Then we got.
What do you got left under there?
I'm looking right now. You got this.
I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, try to save the wiring, obviously. You know, but
right now. I'm looking for this. With this one.
there's a purple wire on the side there in the front.
This right here?
Disconnected? Yeah, that's disconnected.
Oh, right there.
Oh, it's just
there.
No, you
It's
don't.
this wire here I'm talking about. This is what you.
That was just a hot wire.
Yeah, for you ran your own wire for your fuel pump.
When we first had the small block Chevy, we ran a, what was that, a switch wire or just a hot wire to the coil?
Yep. Hot wire right to the coil.
To the coil? Yeah, that's not a big deal. It's just,
all right, and that's all of it.
here. Let's see if you can take it out, man. Let me go in front. Hold on. Got it? Got it. Hold on. Wow, man. Right on. You gotta show your treasure off. Nice.
Drive your car now.
Okay, hold on. So, all right, man. Right on.
That made it easier.
Grab your screwdriver over there. I know we got some stuff to take off, and we'll just start with, or we might get like flathead screwdrivers. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, I'll just start with that. It's still going, by the way. It's gonna be like a 10-minute clip, maybe 15, but I just keep my phone recording and stop talking about it. Carry on! Oh, by the way, there's a box somewhere. Put all these nuts and bolts and screws and whatnot in.
Yep.
I'm kind of curious to see what's underneath the headliner, dude.
Yeah.
That's got to be original paint color.
It is. Look at that.
Unless water seeped in, you know, from the sides or from the T-tops or whatnot. grab that box. Where did I put it? I think I put it in the trunk. And just start throwing all the screws and stuff in there. And little stuff like this.
It's easier to turn towards you. Yep.
Oh man. This is coming down. How's that head on it under here? Once I take this off, you'll be able to see how it looks.
You're gonna have one screw right here too on this panel, up under the rubber.
Oh no, dude. Oh, sorry. It's all coming down. Yeah, let's not touch it that much yet.
Yeah, because
I
it's trim
still
out
gotta
here.
take trim off on this side. That's a screwdriver. It's not messed up.
You can use an 8 on that too. Right here, Nick.
I didn't have a screw in it.
Yeah, but right
I
here,
didn't have a screw in it, Richard.
you're gonna have one right
You
here.
know?
Yep.
It's
Other than
chilling
that,
there, man.
Mine did, but it wasn't even in there.
Oh. So then what's under here? There's a screw in the back of the
Right here.
metal trim.
Right here. You look right here. Nick. Right, you have a screw right over here.
Yeah.
That color.
How
Behind
do
the
you
rubber.
pop? How do you? Come on.
That's metal.
And how do you pop it off, Richard? How do you?
You got to bolt it.
How do you? Hold on. Wait. Oh, there it goes. Unbolt.
Yep.
Unscrew. What do we got? Oh, I see. I see it now. I see it. Oh, it's now. Richard's already got a lot of the dash taken apart. You're gonna need that cigarette lighter for other purposes.
Yep.
Wow, man. It's got a metal lip to it. That's kind of nice. Radio tune suspension. Back in the day, that was probably awesome. So then now what? We got some bolts underneath.
Yep.
All right, man. I'm gonna go for it. What are we looking at here? Ouch. 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 We gotta take this off. That's the screw
No,
in
you're good.
place.
You gotta take that out right here, right in the back corner.
It says like the AC and whatnot.
That's just a vent.
Vents, some kind of blower motor or something.
No, it's just a vent, so you can open them up and have fresh air in the car.
Oh heck, man. What did I do with that screwdriver? You got a screwdriver over there? Yeah. Thank you, sir. I think. Man, oh, there's a lot of stuff in the way. I don't know if I have to take all these screws off, but I'm going to. Left-handed, buddy. Left-handed. I feel so weird doing that. No. Have you found yours yet?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Already off.
Yep.
Oh man, I haven't even found yours yet.
It's right by your hand. It's right here.
there?
Yeah.
Well, I know, but I want to get all this stuff out of the way. So you can get to the back one too, right? But maybe we got to take the glove box off. I think so. Maybe it's behind the back of the glove box, or I don't know. So there you have it, people. Next stage in gutting out the body of this 1978 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am.
Where did the screwdriver go?
I don't know, that's the thing, man. There's got to be other bolts under here. Ouch! I bumped my head. I bumped my head a little bit. So we got a couple screws here holding that on. And I'm going to take this off. Alright. You still got that smaller sockets? You got any smaller sockets? You got just the 8? That's that's like a 10.
I got a 10 down here too.
You got a 10?
Yep.
You see a 10? We might end up just taking the seats out, right? You think it'd be easier to take the seats out and then the dash, or just? 'Cause there's still a lot of stuff under here, man. All the ventilation, the heat loss, stuff like that. But yeah. That's what I'm working with. I got it. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna even put that back on. I don't know. Might. Hey, look at that. There's still some action out of that. Still sounds kind of compression-y. Alright, got that out of the way. Here's the light, no. Whatever you gotta do, man. If we gotta do side to side, that's fine. I'll take a break. I mean, I got some dash pieces all underneath here. Whatever this thing is.
They go up front.
Where did I just put yeah, man, I'll just continue chipping away at it, and eventually we'll have the dash completely off. Got all this trim taken off. As you can see, the top trim was taken off. But I want to get all the trim off before we try and save this headliner, at least a little bit. I mean, obviously it's going to get replaced, but this is the original headliner, and I would like to at least keep some of it. Looks like it's going to come off pretty easy though, man. I mean, it's all kind of hanging down. All right, man. You almost done with that side?
Yep, almost done with this right here. Just gotta get.
Pick up some of this stuff. All the plastic to the gauge, all the gauges.
Come out in the 8.
Original cigarette lighter. I think I'll just use the container for this whole stuff. You have any more bolts?
Yep.
Right there?
Yep, right on the back side too.
teamwork, right? Whoa! Don't hurt yourself.
There's no fun in that.
And let's see, grab that light and try to see it over there, and I'll just get these other side bolts real quick. Yeah, just like put it in the middle. Or you can do it really quick.
There you go. Out mute right now.
Darn it, what did I do with it?
Hey, look for it.
Got it.
Maybe another bolt here somewhere.
Yeah, all right.
Right here.
More screwdrivering, huh?
Yep.
So you said this main one,
Yep.
and there should be more in the back somewhere. Oh no! I think it might be time to get something to hold the tool to your hand. Like maybe or just have a robot do all this, right? What else is on this side? Like that. So, I'll just do it. I'm gonna do it. Ow. I don't know, man. There's a lot of stuff in the way still. There's a lot of stuff in the way. Okay. Let's continue on that side. Might have to take all that ductwork off if it's in here. So what we got left? You got to pull that gauge cluster.
Yep.
And then you got a bolt in the middle. You got all the bolts on that side off. I got that one of the bolt on the right side off. You think there's anything else though? There's got to be other stuff maybe. Is there anything behind the glove box there?
There it is right there. Might be able to reach it.
Yeah, is there that plastic behind it or is it metal?
That's plastic behind there. It's all plastic. Just making sure I got nothing up here. Yep, you got some right here too.
That's what I was kind of thinking.
Those glove boxes that come out.
Yeah.
That's simple.
Filming.
Oh shit.
So I put it on the... Anyways. Glove box. Got a few screws holding that in. Is it plastic though?
Yeah.
And what are those? Those like a 1/4 inch?
These right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 7.
Or 7.
You should have some nut drivers in there.
Some nut drivers?
Yeah. It should be a little bit. Yeah, that's 7.
Cool. Now I'll just go ahead and keep handing you tools.
Yep.
Or I can just get it to you.
You have 2 there, and then 2 right here.
Come on.
All of those right there.
Yeah. Let me just grab all that out of there too. Where'd that container go? We'll just shove
Right
all that in there. It doesn't matter. I don't know what it all is. I'd be kind of curious to see what do these read? Let me see that one. What does that read? 2004. So we have 2004 there. One of the last times this car was registered.
Yep, here's the original registration.
What is that one?
Registration.
What does it say? I don't know what this is. Some kind of the same thing. This is like insurance or something. Oh man, how old is that? Let me see it.
2006, it expired.
Oh, so that's not that old.
Date issued 2004. Yeah, I was ordered, remember?
Oh yeah, so that was the last time he was registered, 2006. Right on. Heck yeah, man. Now we're kind of moving with some steam behind us. Getting stuff done. What's left? What do you think?
10's right here.
10 millimeters?
Yep.
I think it's still down here. No? What did I use? Is this a 10? Or is that's a 7?
Right here. Need the
What do
extension.
you need? You need a short one or a long one?
Short's fine. I think I get it with short.
Almost got you. Wow. And on camera, too. What a guy.
Yep.
See, the goal is to not hurt Richard. I've heard him several times. What was that? We were just working on the control, the control arm to my my daily commuter, the Silverado there. I too know how it feels though to drop a ratchet on your head, dude. I was working on the Mustang, right? And you guys don't know this, the people that watch my videos, but when I was I was replacing the shift solenoid, or what is it, the neutral safety switch, or yeah.
Yeah.
I dropped the ratchet right on my front tooth. That felt good. That felt awesome. But I played it off like it was nothing. And I kept recording. Sometimes you have to sacrifice, right, Richard?
Yep.
Sometimes. So pretty much what? 4 more 10 millimeters till 10?
Yeah.
10 millimeter. I don't know why I can't say that. 10 millimeter. You know, the one that always ends up missing, or you know, you can't find it when you really need it. Yep, that's that one. All right, man. So what do you got left?
One wire to cut, and then disconnect some wires on the backside.
Let me let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Little ventilation pieces, is that it? Gauge cluster, that kind of stuff.
Yep.
What is this? Some kind of stickers? Oh yeah, some stickers. Cool. All right, man. What do we got left? What do we got left?
That wire.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. I can't just keep it off. Oh, bolts, man. Yeah, it just unclamps right there. And it's like
I just figured you already blocked the whole thing off there.
no, I mean, I don't really want to cut that, I don't think.
That's just a heater wire controlled to the box.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want to have to cut it, though. See what that is. What do you think it is? 10? I think it's a 10. Pretty small.
That's 8.
8. Can I give you a 7?
I got an 8 on here already.
Oh, do you? Oh.
Coming?
I had a 7 too, though, man.
Yeah. 7 back on top of the car.
Let's see. Oh, right here.
Yeah, that's 8. I can keep it up like that.
Turn it?
Yeah, I think so.
Whoa. Yeah.
Okay, hold that.
Now, I think it should just pop right off of there, huh?
Oh, yeah, but there's a people clip right here too.
Oh, okay.
I can get that clip off there.
Oh, here. I mean, you can cut that off if you want, but I don't want to cut the whole line. Maybe I can reuse this, you know? If it's part of, like, kind of heater adjustment. Yeah, pretty close to actually taking the dash all the way off, though. Actually, pretty close to taking the whole dash off. I got a heater adjustment. Yeah, this dash is not in the best shape. I'm gonna have to see what we can do to fix it. It's got a giant crack in the middle. I don't know. Maybe someone can restore it for me. I'm gonna start Googling tonight. Yep.
Here, try to get that.
Man. I want to see what else is behind this, though, as a thing, you know.
Yep.
I grab a screwdriver and see what we got. Yeah, we're connected. Kind of ground wire back here. These are like headlights or side markers or something. Let's get it. Right here.
That's way off.
No, that's why I just if you have to, just put a little snip there, stuff that one.
White wire.
I'll just let you fiddle with that. I'll grab some snips real quick.
Way down yet.
Get out. There you go. Almost there, man. Like this. We know what that's for. I mean, I know what it's for. If anything, you catch it.
That's flathead.
That's a lot of wiring still from 1978. What is all this? Yep, I need still some ducting to take off.
Yeah.
Some trim. Whatever that is, some kind of, probably like a weather strip. Keep water off that was leaking through the windshield, which probably was at one time.
Holding that wire. You got fucking wire out of it. We get it easier. Gotcha, you bitch. And then we got those.
Got it! That's what you gotta say.
I got it from the ground right here too.
Almost got it, man.
Yeah, your toggle switch you put in. And then what's this right here? Unplug right there.
Right on, man. There you go, huh?
Let's go for a drive.
Need to put it on the shelf. All right, man. Good job. I mean, I helped a little bit, but you know, Richard took the brunt work of getting the dash out. Look at all that. We'll just go ahead and slap it up here on this freshly made shelf. I'm gonna have to fit a lot of stuff up there, so let's see. Straight back with it. Oh, maybe. Yeah, right on. Actually, I found that plate on eBay. The whole delete plate for the air conditioning there. What we got here? Bolts. 8mm also. We got a linkage in the back here. I'm going to take the linkage off first. That way they'll just pop right off.
Oh, you got a self-tap, don't you? I have that 8mm in there.
Is that it? I don't know.
Should be.
Linkage. Oh man, that's moved the whole car. That is a half-inch probably. Is that the heater box?
Yep.
Heck yeah, man. Of course it's smaller. Flat screwdriver or a pry bar. That'll work better.
Yeah, find out where this one goes here, this line. Yeah, right here, the line. Oh, right here. Here it is.
Oh, hold on.
Huh?
Oh, no, I thought you spun something. No. The linkage just kind of dropped on me, so I thought it was cool. You can place the nut. Still got this here to take off. I think is there a line in there somewhere? So as you can see, we are slowly now working on all the bits and pieces of the car body. We got a lot of the interior already taken out. There's the heater box. Still got wiring. Wow, man, it's pretty bare under there. Oh, do you like my bag and tape job with all the wiring for the air conditioner there? When I first drew up the car, I put that plate on there and I just wanted to keep all that stuff dry just in case it rained. Turned out it didn't rain on well, Eric's first birthday. It didn't rain, and it also did not run good. If I remember right, it did not run good at all. Man, that is a lot. You got a wiring harness, a couple pedals, speaker.
Need an 8mm.
Come over here. Look at that. The shelf we made, we finally consolidated it. And that's why I made the shelf. You got the dash, the blower, the whole heater box, ducting, tote full of trim, and all kinds of stuff in there. Heck yeah. Maybe see if you can get the rest of the wiring harness out of there. We might have to just call it a day after that.
Yep.
To be continued, right?
Oh yeah.
Something like that.
Trying to find an 8 real fast.
I don't know what I did with it. Right here. That's a 9, I don't know, 8 or 9, one of the two.
We need to get the fuse box out.
Oh, I see. Bonk. Just a couple bolts that hold that in place, so yeah, moving right along, man.